welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. And in this chapter, which should be the final processing part of the chapter, final chapter for processing, there we go. We're going to use the DarkStructureEnhance script. And it's up here in script, utilities, DarkStructureEnhance. So we're going to make sure that we have the right target image, and all these should remain default. So we're just going to click OK and let it run and see what we get. Alright, let's undo, redo. Definitely brings out those dust lanes a little bit more. We're going to save this. And of course, we can't create a process icon since it is a script. But what we can do here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take the STF icon, just rename it. It doesn't like the white space, so we'll do that. I'll just have to remember that. I said this was the final. I was wrong. I need to shrink these stars. They're just a lot blown out. So, but that ends this chapter. So thanks for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you so choose, ring that bell, and as always, clear skies. Thank you.